Welcome, my friend. We'll move right into butterfly pose. Breathe in, find your long spine, and then exhale, hinge forward at your hip crease. Heart guiding you forward. On the exhale, round your spine out. Roll up. We'll take cat-cow in our butterfly pose. So breathe in, reach your heart center forward. And exhale, round back. Neutral spine, make your way to hands and knees. Tuck those toes and lift up to down dog. We'll step your right foot forward. Feet on two separate tracks, and we'll breathe in to reach your fingertips up to the sky for a high lunge. Lower your back heel to the mat. Warrior two. Reach forward, up and back, settling into peaceful warrior. Warrior two. Straighten your front leg, open toes to the side, coming into a wide leg forward fold. Breathe in, circle fingertips up. Exhale, hinge forward at your hips, releasing into the wide leg forward fold. Toes in, heels out. Walk your fingertips towards the back of the mat. Open the toes to the back of the mat. Back heel pops up. And we'll breathe in to reach up into our high lunge. Back heel lowers to the mat. Warrior two. Nice wide stance. Reach forward, up and back. Peaceful warrior. Warrior two. Open toes to the side of the mat. This time, bend into your knees, bring your hands to your inner thighs and gently press them open. Finding movement if you'd like. Your toes point out and your heels are in. Lower your hips through center. Soften fingertips to the mat. Walk your palms to the front of the mat. And we'll step back for down dog. From here, take the flow of your body's choice, lowering chaturanga or all the way to the mat for cobra. I'll meet you in downward facing dog. Soften your knees to the mat. Sit them off to one side. We're going to come into a single leg stretch, so extend one leg out long, opposite to your inner thigh. Breathe and reach up and hinge forward. Rise and switch sides. Breathe and reach up. Nice and long. Exhale, hinge. Breathe into rise. Make your way to the center of the mat for easy seat. Breathe in through your nose. Exhale a sigh out your mouth. Letting go. Big breath in through your nose. Exhale a long, slow, controlled release out your mouth. Letting go. Bring your palms to kiss, prayer at heart center. On the exhale, bow forward to your heart. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me for this yoga quickie practice with minimal cues. If you enjoyed and you want to see more like this, please let me know in the comments below. I hope to join you on the mat again soon. Have a beautiful day, my friend.